So today's adventure in homeschooling is we got these owl pellets. Eliza's been studying owls, and then Levi actually is reading a book about owls, and they were talking about pellets today. So we thought, oh, let's open these little things you can order. If you can't find owl pellets, which we looked on our property, we couldn't find them at the base of trees. But we know they're around. They're just hard to find because they look just like that, a ball of gray.
Rocks.
Like rocks, kind of, yeah.
Where's a hole or one?
Over there.
They came wrapped in tin foil. They're that size. And we just ordered them from Amazon, of course, because Amazon has everything.
Even the owl pellets.
Even owl vomit. So it is just this little hunk of fur and bones that the owl can't digest, that it spits back out again, and it lands at the bottom of the tree. And I don't know, many people did this in elementary school. I did. Drew didn't. So anyway, it's a fun adventure. We printed this chart off. I found it free online, and it tells you what each bone is. So, for example, I just pulled this out. It's a hip bone, and I'm clearly working with a mouse. And I don't know if all of the bones have to be from the same animal. You kind of think so, but this is the skull. Still got a lot of fur on it, but you can make out the bone or the teeth for sure. Here's a lower jaw. Sorry, we don't have tweezers that I wanted to sacrifice for this anyway. So, yeah. Everybody, even Naomi, is having a good time with this.
Naomi's really got a furry mess.
Yes. What did you find so far, Naomi?
The jaw.
The jaw of the mouse. Oh, look, she's got something coming out, emerging.
Oh, what is that?
Here's the skull.
My owl cooped up a lot of bones.
Yeah, show us yours, Levi.
It's right there.
What'd you find?
Lots of stuff. I didn't put it on the chart like everyone else, but I do think I either have a mouse or a shrew, maybe.
Or both.
Or both. I have the skull and the lower jaw. And then I have, I think that's a vertebrae.
A vertebrae?
Yeah. And then here's some more jaw. And there's tiny, tiny teeth. You probably aren't even going to be able to see it on the camera.
You can see it.
Right there. And then there's this. I don't know what it is. I finally found teeth, Leviah.
Did you?
Yes, I think it might be
Oh, you didn't look at that. That's your jaw.
That kind of looks right. Well, part of the jaw.
Yeah.
I don't want to see a little bit more still.
All right, so that's a fun project you can try at home. Like Lacey said, order them on Amazon and get them shipped. Prime them. Get some gloves. Maybe prime a pack of rubber gloves too.
Yeah.
And
maybe some plastic tweezers.
And get the chart. Yeah, that's it. This is homeschooling.